Hello and welcome to our new video. I'm Vivek and in this video I'm going to show you how to hide a product from your Shopify search. To begin with, let's check what you can search in your Shopify front end. Once you click on this search icon and enter your query, you will see search result, some suggestions, products, as well as it also shows the pages in the search result. Now click on the search icon and here you will see the search result. For the demo purpose, I'll be hiding this complete snowboard product from the search results. Okay, to do that, go to our Shopify admin. Here click on the settings and select the custom data. Select the product from the metafield. Here we will be adding a product metafield for the name hide product. So click on add definition. Let's give it a name. Here we have to specify the namespace. Please note we will be using this SEO.hidden namespace given by Shopify to hide the product. Also, please keep the spelling exactly same to make it work. Now in the description field, you can write some description about this metafield that we are creating. Here next step is to select the type. This will be an integer type, and once we have done these changes, click on the save to save this metafield. So once we save this metafield, it will start showing in this list and it will start getting appear on each of the product. So let's go to product section of the Shopify admin. And for the demo purpose, I will be hiding the complete snowboard product. So click on it. Okay, now at the bottom, scrolling at the bottom, you will see a new metafield is added with the name of hide product. This metafield is automatically added to all the products in the admin. And to hide this product, simply make the value of this hide product metafield as 1 for this product. And once you are done, save the changes. And let's go back to our Shopify store front end and search query. Now as you can see, earlier it was showing here the complete snowboard product, which is not visible now. And in the result also, you will see that that product is hidden. The complete snowboard product is hidden from the search result. So this is how you can hide a product from the Shopify search. Also, this product, after these making changes for the using the SEO hidden metafield, this product is also hidden from the search engines. So that's all for the video. In this video, we saw how to hide any product from your Shopify search. I hope you find this video informative. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more such Shopify tips and tricks. If you have any query or regarding require further assistance, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video then. Until then, keep making progress in your Shopify journey. Thank you.